If you just bought a Ryobi cordless drill and feel a little confused, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use it the right way, even if you've never touched a drill before. This is a drill driver. That means it does two jobs. It drills holes and it drives screws. Once you understand that, everything else makes way more sense. Let's quickly break down the main parts. This front part is the chuck. That's where the bit goes. This trigger controls speed. The harder you press, the faster it spins. This switch changes direction. Forward tightens, reverse loosens. And this ring with numbers is the clutch. We'll talk about that next. The clutch protects your screws and your wrist. Lower numbers mean less power, higher numbers mean more power. For driving screws, use low to medium numbers. For drilling holes, turn it to the drill symbol. To change a bit, turn the chuck where there is an arrow for lock and unlock. Insert the bit, then tighten. Let the drill do the work, don't force it. That's it. You're officially ready to use your Ryobi drill with confidence.